So in case anybody was wondering, there's two different types of neoprene lunch bags that are popular in sublimation. The kind that I deal with are the larger kind. They have a gusseted bottom. They have a black outline around all the white printable space. They don't have a white bottom. In my opinion, they're so much better. I have both types here. I started with the smaller ones and I really don't like them. I had so much trouble pressing them. So I'm just going to show you the difference. So here are the two different types of lunch bags that are quite popular. The first one on the left hand side is the first one I had come in. I had a really hard time pressing it. As you can see, it has white edges on the sides here. So when you press one side, you're going to get a white edge unless you come up with some technique to get around that. But I just found it too bothersome. And here at the bottom as well, you see that the seam overlaps with the bottom. So if you put some cardboard or template or something in here to take the pressure, you're going to get some of your print come down here on the bottom, especially like if you're doing an all over print. The bottoms are gusseted as well, but they're white. And I don't know if you're like me, but I like to do full coverage on stuff. And I wasn't really happy with these bags. They're okay. I did a few for children's lunch bags. They're not bad, but it's not the great quality bag that this one is. This one is the primo bag. I've done thousands and thousands of these. The bag itself is so sturdy, as is the other one, but the ease of pressing this, you can get full coverage on this very easily. I have a little video course done up to show how to do these bags. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. I love these bags. The gusset is black, so you don't need to worry about pressing that. All you got to worry about is your front and your back. And if you have your templates ready to go and you have it set up properly, you won't have an issue. This is one of the bingo bags that I've done. Look how beautiful that covers. All around the seams. Press is absolutely beautiful. These bags are so popular right now. Again, I've sold thousands. Not only do I do bingo bags, I also do dart bags. I do basketball bags, hockey mom bags with picture of the child and the team logo on them and their number on the back. No end to the creativity you can use. The child's lunch bags, I do construction, I do butterflies, unicorns, all the popular stuff. I don't get into the licensed stuff. I get a lot of requests for like Dora the Explorer and things like that. Generally, I don't touch that with a 10-foot pole because I don't want to be in trouble and have a big fine. So guys, there you have it. There's the difference in these two different types of bags. As I mentioned, I have a mini course prepared where I share all my tips and tricks to pressing these bags successfully. Subscribers to my course can purchase these bags for $6.50 US, but in the continental US, shipping included. There's a minimum order of 50 bags and there'll be a small duty charge on arrival, usually less than 10%. When I started, I ruined so many bags, but over the years this bag has become one of my top selling items. I've learned how not to ruin them, and I'd like to share some of my hard-earned knowledge with you. The link is in the description below. I also share my top selling designs as well as a template for a jig that's needed to get the perfect press every time. I hope you'll give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to be notified when I upload new videos, hit the little bell notification icon.